Final Trench, Minecraft, and Throwing Popcorn by Aaron Lopez Orias. Scary, Sink, and People Throw Popcorn. People like the movie, and they made a video throwing popcorn. Ways to solve conflict. The movie should car- car- collaborate with the actors, make a clip of Jack Black saying, "Don't throw popcorn. This is like the weekend movie." Star made a video says, "Don't sing along with. Oh, let people enjoy Wicked."